Use this remedy to clear out all those skin tag, any kind of skin tag, skin molds, skin tags. This remedy will help to get rid of them effectively. Hello everyone, you're welcome back. So I'm going to show you a very effective way to use baking soda with apple cider vinegar with 2 oils added in it to get rid of your skin tag at home. You have to continue watching because this remedy is very effective. I'll be telling you how to mix together, how to apply it, when to apply it for best result. Make sure you watch this video to the end because you will learn a lot. Consider subscribing if you love remedies like this natural way to take care of your skin, to look younger, to get rid of skin problems. Also give this video a like and share it as well. Let's go. So I made this of baking soda. Baking soda in this treatment will help because it's very useful at getting rid of skin tags and skin molds. Baking soda is alkaline in nature, and the alkalinity in it will help to irritate the skin of that tags on your skin and making it to drop off easily. Though this will not work immediately, it depends on the size of your skin tag or how big it is, and also the area you have those skin tags. Some people, they have skin tags on the neck, some they have it on the nose area, eye area, the face area. So it may be easier to clear out if you have it on a visible part of the skin. But those people that have it on the, if you have it on the hidden part or some folds on your skin, it will take a little while to clear out. But all the same, this remedy is just a very perfect way to clear out skin tags effectively. So try to get baking soda. So the next one you are going to get is apple cider vinegar. And I love apple cider vinegar when it comes to getting rid of skin tag because it helps to break down the tissues surrounding those skin tags. Like maybe you have those skin tags on your neck or on the areas on your face. This will help to break down the tissues surrounding those skin tags and making it easier to fall out or to get rid of. Apple cider vinegar is also antibacterial, helping to get rid of skin infections. Any kind of skin infections, it helps greatly to get rid of them successfully. So the next one I am going to introduce is castor oil. So here is organic castor oil. Castor oil comes in different brands, different forms. This is the one for my skincare. I use it for remedy for for hair growth. So if you want to purchase our skincare, I'm going to leave the products, okay? I'll show it on the screen. If you want to purchase, just contact through that WhatsApp. It will help for a clear skin, for a younger skin. Facial products will have it. So castor oil contains nutrients in it that will help to dissolve skin tags. It helps to soften it and make it easier to get rid of. Like, you need to get castor oil. You will love the result. So the next one to get is this oil, which is very effective as well. But I will not tell you now. You just have to continue washing. At the end of this, I will introduce the oil and tell you when to apply it. So these are the measurements. You have to add 1 full tablespoon of baking soda. Okay, not baking powder, please. Baking soda. Baking powder and baking soda, they are not the same at all. The work is not the same. So I forgot to mention that baking soda is very exfoliating. You exfoliate to get rid of dead skin cells. So you also experience a smooth skin around that area. So add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Next one to add is apple cider vinegar. Just add little by little of it as you mix. The reason why you should add it little by little so that this remedy will not be so watery. This is in a paste and that is how it should be. Do not make it watery so that you can be able to apply it without it flowing down and running down your face. So the next one to add is few drops of castor oil. You don't really need too much, just about 5 to 7 drops of castor oil. Add it and mix together. If the area you are applying it is much, like if the skin tags are much, all you have to do is just to increase this remedy so that it can be more and so that it can be able to spread around your body. So this is just for a small amount of the skin tag. So mix together and mix until it's uniform. Then you have to wash that area. Just clean that area with a warm water just to get rid of any dust or oil. Then after that, you have to apply this on the skin tag. When you apply it on the skin tag, you have to use a bandage or a tape to cover it, to keep it in place so that it will not fall out. So this is going to help to make it stay put and penetrate, soften, dissolve that skin tag or the tissues around there, and make it easier to get rid of. So when you apply this treatment and cover it up with a plaster, bandage, any cover, you just have to leave it on overnight. You can decide to leave it on for several hours or leave it on overnight. So when you get rid of it after the time, you have to just rinse it out using a lukewarm water as well. So you may not notice immediate results. Okay, skin tag can be difficult to get rid of, but with consistent use, you see it getting rid of. That first use, we notice an improvement. Of course, you notice that the look, the surrounding will change, like the color around that your skin will change. That is to show you that it's working. Please do not dilute it with water. You don't need to dilute it. Use the ingredients I just mentioned. If the treatment is thick, you have to increase or add additional apple cider vinegar. So after rinsing it out with a warm water, the next thing is to add this oil. This oil is very effective at helping to keep that area well moisturized, and also making it like soften it and make it easier to get rid of successfully. So here is tea tree oil. This is organic tea tree oil, the one I use for my products, my skincare products. I don't sell any of these, okay? I buy them from organic sellers. So try to purchase from organic stores, supermarkets. Also order it online. It's easily available. Tea tree oil comes in different brands. It's an essential oil that works effectively for several skin problems, any kind of skin conditions. It helps greatly to soothe irritation, to get rid of rashes, to care for the hair, to make hair to grow, to get rid of dandruff. Using it in this treatment will help to take care of that area, like soften that area and make it easier to get rid of those skin tag, giving you a smooth skin, and also is very moisturizing. After making use of this treatment, you don't need to allow that skin to stay like that. You need to moisturize it, and using a very good oil that will target skin tag is very, very important. Not only to moisturize the skin, it will as well help to enable that skin tag to fall out. So tea tree oil is also antiviral, antifungal also, because it contains the properties that will help to make sure your skin is looking good. So try to get these ingredients and you love your skin. So just apply it and leave it on for the right time. Rinse it out, then just follow the instructions and you see those skin tag getting rid of effectively. Use this treatment like every day, or you can use it every other day. You use it today, next tomorrow you use it. But if you really want to get rid of those skin tags like quick, you have to be consistent and you see it getting rid of. If you have those skin tag like tiny ones, you have to scrub. After applying it, when it's time to rinse it out, you have to scrub it. If it's tiny and spread around, you need to scrub it, of course, so that this can work better. But if you have those big ones like 1 and 1, scanty, but they are bigger in size, you have to just apply it, cover that area with a plaster or a wrap, apply it, different areas, and you see it working effectively. So this is just a perfect way, a natural way to care for those skin tag and make sure they are no longer on your skin. The result will give you a smooth, beautiful skin you love. So yeah, my products, okay, if you need any of them for different skin types and complexion, we have purely natural. There's no side effect. Of course, you will see your skin purely natural. You can go out with no makeup and you'll be loving it. We have very good vitamin C serum and vitamin C oil, facial products that will work for different skin types and complexion. Just contact us. You will love it. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to subscribe. Also share this video to everyone. I will see you in my next video.